Hey guys, this is my new iMac Retina 5K 27-inch, and it's a 3.3 gigahertz Intel Core i5. It only has 8 gigs of memory, so I will be swapping it out for these, and I have 2 of these kits, so I'll have 32 gigabytes after. So I have 2 of these 16 gigabyte kits, and I will be installing them. Time to shut down the machine. Have you seen the disk speed test for this new Fusion drive? It's amazing. Look at this number, 618 for writes, and look at this number. It's crazy, 1.8 gigabytes per second. Just amazing. So to install the memory, you need to first shut down your machine. So after you shut it down, you pull out the power. Unplug the power. So there's a button right here. And all you need to do is push it with something. And then it pops open this case, this flap. And then all you need to do is take these out and remember where the notches are. So I'm going to take my crucial memory out, the 16 gigabytes. And I'm going to slide it in. That's one. That's two. Remove the old one. Here goes another. Of course, you're supposed to not handle it without some anti-static, but I'm a professional, so it should be fine. And this memory was cheap. It only cost me $100-something, and Apple was going to charge me $600 to replace, to get 32 gigs. I was like, hell no! That's it. It's done. I'm going to put the cover back on, and if you can see, it tells you how to do it. That's that. And then we take the power, we plug it back in. Voila! Now we turn it on. So now we have it booted. Whoa, look at that. 32 gigs of memory. Look over here. Now you see it's 32 gigs of memory installed, 888. Perfect. Let's start the speed test again. Pretty impressive. And let's do the Geekbench. Let's run Geekbench. See if the memory is any faster. Wow, with more memory, it is faster. So let's see. Wow, look at that. Memory test is a lot faster. That is interesting. So with more memory, I get a higher score. Before, if you notice, it was 12,000. This was like 3,000 something. Now it's 4,000 something, and wow, awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. If you go to Apple's website, you'll and click buy and select the 27-inch iMac Retina and the highest version, you'll see that if you want to upgrade to 32 gigabytes, it's $600. See? $600. And I got this crucial memory for 130 something dollars, so saving for over $450. Don't buy from Apple, it's too easy to save this money.